One thing that makes us different from all other preservation groups in this nation is that we have a comprehensive education program for preschool through 90 years, 100 years. We are out there in the community educating people about local history and architecture. Why is it important to do that? Because the more you know about a place, the more you love it. Our programs help root people in a community. They help give people a sense of belonging, and they also give people a voice. Through our poetry and art books and through many of the publications we do where we give kids the chance to sketch a detail and then write about it, we publish their work. We give them a book with their work in it. They see that their artwork and that their ideas matter.
There is so much to see on this campus that is unexpected. You're looking at architecture, but then there are little things that are humorous, like tiles in buildings and brick being done in patterns you don't expect with different colors. Everything feels like it fits together, whether it's old buildings, new buildings, very historic buildings. It's fun to turn the light bulb on to get the students noticing things that they might not have seen before.
If you don't know something about a particular building or place, you're much more likely to throw a rock through a window, spray graffiti on a bridge or a building. If you know about a place, you know about the engineer, the workman, the people involved in creating it, you know about the beauty and the artistry of that landmark because people have helped give you the words to describe it, then you suddenly start to care. If you start to care, then you might, in the end, as an adult, become an advocate for what we believe in, which is keeping the special places in this city that are historical, that are of great beauty, and of value as part of our continuing city.